Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do a little update video and talk to y'all about what's happening, First of all though, we are locked and loaded, ready for our trip to Kansas in the AM tomorrow, Friday. And I want to let you guys know, if you need any CFMOTO part, accessory, rim and tire package, windshield, light bars, you name it, make sure you hit up Main Street Cycle. They are the guys that can help you out. Let them know Redneck Garage sent you. They will take right good care of you for sure. Without them guys, we wouldn't be able to do half the stuff that we are doing. They have helped tremendously with the builds, with the channel period. They are helping a lot with the Kentucky ride next month in July. So I look forward to that. Now, let's get into the reason I'm doing the video here, guys. What's coming up after we get back from Kansas, we're going to start working on the CFMOTO 800EX, which is right there. We're gonna get that thing on the street. We have LED light bars for it. We have doors for it over here, which I think I covered some of this stuff with you guys. And we want to thank Main Street Cycle. They sent us out some brake pads for it. And I don't even know what else. We have a ton of stuff. There's turn signals going on it. It's going to get looked over. It's going to get on the street and in the trails when we get back. So our goal is to get it drivable. We're going to drive it and then we're going to work on it here and there. I'm going to kind of sprinkle this build out because I have to do this and I have to do this. Now, I went over this. I finished all the welds. So if you haven't seen or even really knew about this golf cart build, I've only been working on it for months. Well, I've been saving up for engine and all kinds of stuff, and I finally ordered the engine for it, and I got all that stuff in order. It'll all be coming starting tomorrow, all through the week. So when I get back, look, this is what I deal with. This garage, it leaks in the back. Ugh. So anyway, starting when we get back, I'm going to start on it the weekend after we get back, and it may be finished because I have to install the motor, which you guys will see the whole process, guys. Install the motor. I already finished up the welds. I have to get it cleaned up and painted up. I am putting on the CFMOTO rims and tires on it. I know I covered that. I'm hoping that they fit okay. I'm going to put wheel spacers on if I need to. But yeah, I want to know, guys, what should we name this thing? Now, it's going to kind of look the same as it does, only it's going to be painted. It's going to look nice. It's going to be cleaned up. I'll save the motor for you. I don't want to spoil it. I'll save it. You guys are going to be like, Redneck, why'd you do that motor? I don't know. I hope it'll be okay. I want to know a name for this. What should we call this? Comment down below and let me know what we should name this thing. The Easy Go, this is a Easy Go golf cart. It was electric. We're transferring it over to gas. I ordered chains and sprockets and clutches, all kinds of stuff for this thing. The front end will go back on it. We're going to utilize the factory seats. Over the winter, we will work on reupholstering the seats, but we got to get it in the campground this summer. We're going to do some videos with it. And the build is not going like I wanted it to go, but it's still going to be sweet. I wanted a different engine and a turbo, but this engine I will still be able to turbo or supercharge, whichever one, I don't know yet. So we may do that this winter. But we want to get it cleaned up when we get the engine mocked up, etc., etc. Now, What is one thing that you would love to see done with this build here? Now, keep in mind, this is my cousin's build. He does not have a lot of money, so I'm helping him out. And Main Street Cycle has sent me a couple things helping us out on this build to get him on the road. So what is one thing you want to see done to this? I have a subscriber that is sending a killer stereo system for it. I want to thank them. They know who they are. I've mentioned them in the last video. So they're sending that out. I want to show you guys this. I can't wait. I can't wait no more. I want to show you guys this light bar. Let's check this out here. Check that light bar out. That thing is super sweet. Now, I'll try to post a link down below where you can get this. As a matter of fact, give Main Street Cycle a call. I'm sure they can get you this bar. Tell them R.N.G sent you. If they don't know what bar you're talking about, tell them message me, and I'll show them the bar. They can get it for you. I'm sure they can get it for you. They can get you anything you want. So just message them on Facebook. This is a nice bar. It's a slimline bar. It looks really nice. Now, to be honest with you, I would really love it if this glass was tinted. That would set this thing off so much. Just check that out. So yeah, guys, there you have it. That's today's little update for you guys. Just a little snack for you. And when we get back, we'll have tons of content, I promise. I know this week's kind of been slacking, but I've been packing and working and doing all kinds of stuff. I had to do wheel bearings on the trailer, and it took away from everything. So I can't wait to get this on the road, and I can't wait to get that in the campground. All right, guys. I'm going to leave it at this right here. I'm going to get this uploaded and edited and all of that so you can see it by tomorrow. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being a part of the channel. Thank you for bringing us to where we are today and helping us grow and just making everything possible. It would not be possible if it weren't for you guys and Main Street Cycle for sure, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. I'm super excited for everything that's happening here lately. It's just awesome. I've never been to Kansas, so I'm excited about that. That's going to be redneck. That's going to be redneck content, like redneck content. So I have no idea what we're going to get into there. We're going to find out. But I got the toys loaded up just in case. I don't know. All right, guys. Peace out and God bless.